Hello guys and welcome back. So as you know that now we can create waypoints and that waypoints are linked with each other. Now in this video what we will do, we will create a circle around the waypoint position so that we can trace our waypoints in the environment. Okay, so for that, in the editor folder, let's go ahead and create a C# script by the name of waypoint editor. Let's open this script. Right here, remove the start and update method, and at the top we will add a using Unity editor library, and then after this let's add the initialize on load attribute. Then after that, this script will not be a mono behavior, so remove the mono behavior as well. And then right here we will create a on draw scene gizmos method. Okay, so we will say public static void and on draw scene gizmos. This method needs two parameters. The first one is that where we want to draw the gizmos, and the second one is the gizmos type. So as I told you, we will be creating gizmos around the waypoint, so let's pass the waypoint script as a parameter, then the gizmos type, so we will say gizmos type, and let's name this as gizmos type. Right here at the top. Now let's define the gizmos type, so for that we will say draw gizmo. So the first type will be gizmo type dot non selected, then the next one will be gizmo type dot selected, and the third gizmo type will be the pickable. Then in here let's add a if condition, and in here we will say that if the player selected the waypoint, then we will give a color to the waypoint and also create a sphere around it. So gizmo type, if that is dot selected, then we will color the sphere as blue, and if it is not selected, then we will color it as light blue. Okay, so first of all let me create a sphere around the waypoint. So we will say gizmos dot draw sphere. So first we need to give the position where we want to draw the sphere, so that will be waypoint dot transform dot position. Then after this we need to provide the sphere radius, so the radius will be 0.1. okay, so this will simply draw a sphere. Now let's color it if it is selected. So as I told you, we will color it as blue, so we will say gizmos dot color, and it will be equals to color dot blue, and if it is not selected or not pickable, then we will color this as light blue. So after this color dot blue, add a multiply sign and type 0.5, and that will do the work. Now let's save the script and get back to Unity. Now if you click on waypoint editor tool, as you can see the traffic AI waypoint origin is added right there. Now if you try to click on this create waypoint, as you can see it has created a waypoint, but we can't see the sphere. That is due to we didn't turn on the gizmos. So you guys also make sure that you turn on the gizmos. Okay, And as you can see, when the gizmos is on and the waypoint is selected, its color is dark blue. Okay, but if we don't select this waypoint, as you can see now, the color is light blue. Okay, so now if we create many more waypoints, okay, as you can see now, we can know that which waypoint is located. As you can see, okay, we can create now even more and move that waypoints further. Okay, and as you know that our parkour system is completed, so now we don't need these boxes, so let me simply delete these boxes. Okay, so now we can visualize the waypoint position. Now in the next video we will visualize the waypoint width. So with this done, let's end this video right here.